How to add underwater effect in FL Studio in 2025. So hey everyone, first of all you have to use the fruity lever filter for the underwater effect and experiment with different presets like simple triangle, LFO and melodic band pass, and create automation clips for dynamic sound changes. So first of all you have to open FL Studio 20 and load your beat into the master track and select the fruity lever filter from the effects list. This is a stock plugin, so everyone has access to it. And then using simple triangle LFO, this is the classic choice that many producers swear by. And melodic band pass, this one offers a slightly different take on the underwater effect, but it's still pretty cool. And be careful with this one, like release, you might not want to turn it up too high, and resonance, adjust this to find the sweet spot for your sound. And out knob, this is crucial where when dealing with effects, and it controls the output level. And right click on the parameter you want to automate, select create automation clip. This allows you to adjust the effect over time, which can be greater for drops and fade outs. And you can also use automation clips, like right click on the automation clip and adjust its points. You can create smooth transition and sharp changes depending on your needs. Make sure to line up your automation with the beat for the best results. And for the final touches, sometimes you want the kick to hit right on the beat, but some other times a slightly delay can create a cool effect. For fade outs, align your automation with where you cut the drums for other elements. This creates a smooth transition. And that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.